Thanks for joining me for yet another beer review. I appreciate it. Tonight, getting into a Flying Dog beer. Raging Bitch. Awesome is that to say. Raging Bitch Belgian-Style IPA. Comes in at 8.3% ABV. I actually just thought it was a standard strength till just now about to review it, but right on. This one's out of Frederick, Maryland, USA. Yay. Shout out to you, DJ. Never had this one. Actually, really excited to get into it. This will be my third Flying Dog beer. Alright. Beautiful. Turn that so you guys can have a look. Pretty clear. Yeah, very clear. Kind of that nice, towards a dark copper. Had a few gently rising bubbles in it, so kind of a mild carbonation on it. Nice off-white head. Let's dive into the aroma. Oh yeah. Definitely the Belgian yeast. A big component on the aroma. Kind of get those esters. See, almost got a slight banana note on it. Plays well though. It goes with a bit of the hoppiness. I'm getting that kind of a generic citrusy aroma. Can't quite pinpoint it. That yeast really puts a blanket over the aroma. A little bit peppery even. Maybe lemony. Yeah, overall smells pretty good. Definitely has that typical Belgian IPA aroma. Yeast-driven aromas like that can be pretty predominant. So let's dig into it. Cheers. Okay, nice, big, medium body to it. Another sip here. Oh yeah. Up front, more of that sweetness, that citrusy hop flavor. Definitely get a bit of this bready, sweet kind of caramel maltiness as well. Only up front. It's kind of quite got a juicy bite to it as it kind of goes over your palate, mid-palate. More that the yeast ester, that Belgian quality. You get a little bit of that pepperiness and fairly dry, bitter finish, but just the flavor itself kind of really lasts on your palate. I think maybe that really mild carbonation, it can be attributed to that really hanging around the flavor. It's a long-lasting flavor. Yeah, really nice. I like that. Up front, juicy, citrusy, and then it really slowly builds up mid-palate, getting more of these the yeast quality, and then just finishing out like a nice double IPA should. It's quite dry, a little bitterness. Not bad. The Raging Bitch. I gotta say the label and just the artwork alone, worth picking up a bottle. If you're like me and you collect certain bottles, I'll hang on to the ones that I find are amazing like this, or just kind of the rarer beers. But overall impressions, I'm not a huge Belgian IPA guy, so I can definitely say that this is well done. I mean, it's got a good balance from the yeast, but still separating that it is an IPA and not just full-blown Belgian yeast character. So with that said, I'm gonna give Raging Bitch from Flying Dog, I'm gonna give it a 79. It's pretty good, and maybe just a little more complexity or maybe a little stronger hop profile would have bumped that up for me. But then again, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of the style per se. But in there, appreciate everyone joining me for the review. And as always, till the next one, cheers.